how to delete your Bitget account. So basically, if you'd like to delete your Bitget account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Bitget application, and once you launch the Bitget app, you can see this type of interface right here. If I'm logged in and then I decide that I would like to delete or close my account for good because I'm done with the app, it's quite simple to do that actually. First of all, you want to tap on this icon from the top left, which looks like this vertical dots icon. So tap on that icon there, and there you'll find your profile name and so on, right? So you have to simply tap on the profile name right here. Once you tap on your profile name, which will take you to user center, from here you can scroll down. You can see the option called close account right above the logout button. Tap on the close account button there. You can simply confirm that your web3 wallet has no assets. So if you have, then make sure to withdraw those assets first, then only tap on the close account button, follow the instructions, and your Bitget account will be successfully deleted. So I hope that this video helped you as to how you can delete your Bitget account. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.